We've got a Ninebot cart over here, and we've got the Ninebot S. Time to unpack these beasts. This video is sponsored by TheGrid-Racing. So what's up? I already opened up the package a little bit. I need to get this this styrofoam away. The knee steering that we have to put on, but we might not put that on that quickly because we want to use it with the cart. There we go. Accessories. It's actually very neatly packed. So here's the unit right here. Here's the knee controller, and here's the box that has these extra parts in there. So that's a lid, a charger, 2 screws, an air valve extension for pumping up the tires, and a hex wrench for getting those screws done in, as far as I know. So that all looks very good. So now it's time to actually assemble this thing. So this is actually the lid right here, and what we need to do is get this thing over there on the silver mount and just screw these in, and then put the lid back on. There we go. We've got it installed. We can put the lid back on. I'm actually not going to put the lid back on because I want to undo that thing real soon because I want to use it on the cart. But at least now it should be proper balanced. Well, it's not on, so we might as well actually just turn it on real quick, see how much juice we have left. There we go. So it has 2 left. It's good to know. Now we can actually use it and ride it. Very scary. And of course, here's your information. Here's your air stuff. This is the hex that we need. And this is the charger. Now, this is of course the most important part, so I'm going to keep that to the side over here. If I want to deflate or inflate the tires, we can use this thing right here. I'm going to save that. The hex is not that important because I have my own hexes. And of course the information, so everything is going to go back into this box again. And we're going to leave that for safekeeping. So now let's get onto the cart. This is your bracket that we need for the Segway. So I'm going to leave that over here. Hook again with a little charge cable. It's a lot of cardboard actually. I don't want to go through the wall here. And there we go. That's the Ninebot cart right there. So what we're going to do right now is check if everything is in there. As far as I know, the battery's already in there. Both these two have been sponsored to me as demo models from TheGrid-Racing. This is their off the grid branch because these are all the fun toys. And they also have an on the grid branch where they have rental carts, like real race carts. And we're gonna test this out really soon. So this was the unboxing for both the Ninebot S and the Ninebot Go-Kart kit, supplied to me by TheGrid-Racing. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Yeah.